All across town, neighborhoods have transformed into haunted houses, with front yards full of fog machines, skeletons climbing rooftops, and jack-o'-lanterns lighting the way. This year, Halloween houses are bigger, bolder, and spookier than ever. Two houses specifically in Darien have surprised many in the community. 17-year-old Nick Rinaldi takes his passion for Halloween to the next level by setting up his house to the extreme every year to see the smiles on families' faces as they walk by.
Alright, what inspires me to decorate for Halloween every single year is pretty much just being festive. Like, all my neighbors, like, they don't decorate and their houses look terrible and it's just not festive. And also on Halloween, like, the community comes and like sees my house, and it's just like I get compliments on the decorations I do, which you're gonna see, and it just like makes me feel good, I guess. Like, it just looks nice.
Nick Rinaldi isn't the only one decorating for Halloween this year. 65-year-old Jane Pullman has completely remodeled the outside of her house, turning her property into a creepy spider graveyard.
My parents had always loved Halloween and always had great costumes, and so we were always dressing up and decorating for Halloween. But then when I got married and had kids, one of my kids was born on October 27th, so that really made me excited for Halloween. So we've always made a big deal about the holiday to incorporate it with her birthday. I mean, I love decorating, and now they make things so much easier because places like Home Depot that sell all this awesome stuff makes it so fun. And I love to see the kids come and look at it, and people stop and look at it. It makes it all worthwhile for me to do it.
From 2023 to 2025, the amount the average American spends on decorations every year has increased by $11.95. But Mrs. Pullman has spent over $150 every year on just her outside decorations. In Downers Grove, the Blueprint Network, I'm Aiden Kidney.